For the most part, we did pretty well with the proportions yesterday once everybody was getting the hang of it. We're going to get a little more practice with it today, though. So go ahead and give this a try to start with. One regular size serving of yogurt has 100 calories and 12 grams of protein. There are 3 grams of protein in a child serving. How many calories are in the child's serving? Jacob? Yeah, 25 is going to be correct. So for proportion, we've got 100 calories, 12 grams of protein, 3 grams of protein, and we're looking for how many calories. So when we set this up, we got 100 calories, 12 grams of protein, 3 grams of protein, and we're trying to find the calories. So we do 3 times 100 divided by 12, and like you said, that gives us 25. Any questions on that one? Like I said, we were getting those pretty well. So let's try one more. Or one more easy one. If the cost of 16 ounces of bananas is 35 cents, how much will 48 ounces of bananas cost? Judah? $1.05 is correct. So we got 16 ounces. It says for 35 cents. So I'm going to put it as 0.35. If you left it as a whole number, you got 105. You just got to make sure that matches any labels that you might have. And then we got 48 ounces. So when we cross multiply the 35 cents times 48, divide by 16, like she said, that gives us $1.05. Any questions? All right. All right, so this problem here. We got the ratio of girls to boys in the class is 2 to 3. There are 9 boys in the class, and the question asks how many students are in the class. So, if we look at this, put your hands down. If we look at this, it says the ratio of girls to boys is 2 to 3. Which one of those numbers is girls, which one's boys? 2 girls, 3 boys. How do we know that? And I just put them both as girls. It says, yeah, girls first and 2 was first. Right? Boys was second, 3 was second. All right, what's the 9? Boys. If we solve this proportion right here, we do 9 times 2 divided by 3, that's going to give us 6. 6 what? 6 girls. So is the answer 6? No. All right. So what we have on problems like this, we got 2 options. We can either add at the beginning or add at the end. If you do it this way, you could set it up with the 2 to 3 and then do your addition at the end. When we add right there, what's 9 plus 6? 15. 15 students in the class. Okay? Otherwise, your other option is if we have our girls, our boys, are boys, and it's asking for how many students, right? That's a total. So on the left side here, what's my total? 5. So you can add at the beginning and make the sides match also. 5 times 9 divided by 3 is going to give you 15. So there's 2 ways you can really do a problem like that. You can either do the addition at the beginning or at the end. When I do it, I like doing it at the beginning better. If you save it for the end, sometimes, especially 6th graders, get a little excited when they see it. And 6 is probably going to be one of the answer choices. So you gotta remember to do that extra step always. Okay? Any questions? All right, we did a similar one yesterday. On the way to school, Joe drove 15 miles per hour. If he was driving for 15 minutes, how far did he drive? So go ahead and give that a try. Lacey? Nope. Try? No. Chastity? No. Lily? 15. Drives 60 miles per hour, right? Then he's driving for 15 minutes. We only see 2 numbers actually in this problem. But what you have is you have 60 miles for 1 hour. And there's not really a 1 listed in the problem, but you have to know per hour means 1 hour. It's asking how far. So what it's asking for is the number of miles. And the other thing it gives us is 15 minutes. What's the problem with this? Doesn't match. So how can we make it match? 1 hour is 60 minutes. That's the easy change on this. So if we change that 1 hour, make it 60 minutes, 60 times 15 divided by 60, it is right there to 15 miles. Okay? Labeling things is very helpful. It helps to see where there's maybe a mistake, or not necessarily a mistake, but like something that needs to be fixed, right?